Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on ChatGPT. So how the ChatGPT helps in developing the SQL scripts. So here my question is how to use the ChatGPT for using joins examples in SQL Server. So here my requirement is here. I asked the ChatGPT to create EMP table with the ID name, department ID and department table with the ID name and insert records for inner join, left join, right join and full join examples in SQL Server. So additionally, I asked two more requirements. So insert a record in a department which is not there in employee table and insert a record in employee table without having any department ID. So this is my requirement. I just copy this requirement and go to the chat GPT. So once you log in the chat GPT, it will appear like this. So if you go and click this new chart and here send message, you paste your requirement and just click this green button. Now it gave the entire script. See here, first it will create department table with the ID name and ID as primary key and next it will take the employee table where it is the ID name and department ID. Employee table also ID is the primary key. So here in department table it inserts three records: HR, finance, and marketing. So in employee table it inserts five records. See here, and employee table five records. And if you observe the fourth one, as per our requirement, so it will insert the record without having any department. See here, there is no department here, just department ID, just employee ID, employee name, and this is the scripts for inner join, left join, right join, and full join. So here at last also it will take inserting the department table with ID 4 IT department. So right now this IT department doesn't have in employee table. So this is also my requirement, and the one more record it is inserted without any department. Now I will paste this entire script. First I am taking the script. Employee table is created and department table is created, and second I am taking the script, whole script up to this. In addition to I am taking these two scripts as well. Now I am executing the script. So everything is created. Now if you check the EMP table, select star from EMP, it will give 6 rows as per our requirement. So two records are inserted without having any department. And if you go to the department table, it is dept. So here you find department ID 4. This department ID does not exist in the employee table. See, there is no fourth department ID 4 in employee table. These two are my requirements. Now I am applying the as it mentioned in the chart GPT. First I am taking this one. So in employee table there are 6 records are there. Okay. Now I am pasting. I am using the inner join. Inner join will take only matching records. We already know that we have two employees without having any assigning any department ID. So inner join, as per the definition, it will take only matching records between department ID in two tables. Okay, so that is the reason we got only 4 records. So the remaining two records skipped because there are no matching records for the department ID. So that is the reason. If you go to the left join, So your left join it picks everything from the left table and only matching records from the right table. So if there is no matching in right table, it will show nulls. So we already know that there is no department is assigned to two employees in the employee EMP table. That is the reason for those two employees department name is showing as null. If I change this left to right, we already know that the IT department is not there in the employee table. See here, IT department is not there in the employee table. Right will take right side of the table all records. It will take first. It will pick all records and it will take the matching records from the left table. So for IT department, there is no employee is assigned for this IT department. That is the reason employee ID and employee name is showing null for IT department. So if you go to the full join, full join picks all records from the two tables, irrespective to the matching or non-matching. So it will take all records from the two tables, including the null values in the employee table and null values in the department. So the main intention of this demo is ChatGPT helps to create your SQL scripts as per your requirement. The main thing you observed here is how to create the your requirement. You have to ask your requirement very clearly so that it will create accordingly script and it will help to not to develop the writing the code. ChatGPT is automatically create your SQL script as per your requirement. Thanks for watching the video.